Hello students, this is Anubhav Mathur from the Northern Regional Campus of the Indian Institute of Mass Communication IIMC situated at Jammu, J&K. I am a media professional and a media teacher of more than 18 years of experience, and I specialize in statistics, research methodology, television studies and new media. I also write and review research papers on a variety of subjects including television, new media and artificial intelligence. In this lecture, we will be looking at mobile phone technology and how it is being put to use for marketing and advertising purposes. We will go through SMS, MMS technology and other techniques for communication like NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. We will see how these techniques can be used for marketing and advertising purposes through mobile apps and microsites. So let's begin the chapter. After studying the chapter, the student will be able to understand marketing techniques and promotions through mobile phones, understand SMS and its different types, explain the usefulness of SMS and MMS in marketing. The number of internet and mobile users in India will cross the 900 million mark by 2023. This indicates that a large percentage of population will have access to internet and a mobile device. Telecommunications has traditionally been a voice communication service. All services beyond basic voice calls and fax transmissions come under the category of value added services VAS. In simple terms, value added services add value to the service, enabling the subscriber to use the mobile phone for a variety of purposes like sending short messages, multimedia messages, pictures, playing games, listening to music, reading news, headlines, astrology, getting flight information, surfing the net, mobile banking, etc. It has been seen that males are more active users of SMS VAS services as compared to females. 63% of males prefer to get sports updates, whereas 52.1% of females want to get updates on spiritual things and 50.3 females want to get astrology updates. VAS are increasingly used by advertisers to promote their products and services. The companies try to reach in a direct manner and in some cases may infringe the privacy of the subscribers. Smartphone. The smartphone is a mobile device that integrates mobile phone capabilities with more common features of a personal computer, including internet, mobile applications, email, entertainment and rich media services. It receives and makes telephone calls over a radio link in a geographic area. Smartphones may include features like location access, touch screens and full keyboards. The commonly used smartphone operating systems OS are Apple iPhone, Google Android, Microsoft Windows Phone and Nokia Symbian. More features like QR code reading software on mobile eliminates the need to type in contacts or URLs. The addition of QR codes to business cards is also becoming common, greatly simplifying the task of entering contact information into mobile phone address books. These features, especially watching multimedia content, need internet connectivity. To meet this requirement, telecommunication companies are offering cheaper data plans to access internet through Wi-Fi services or mobile data. Mobile data consumption in India is among the highest in the world. According to the latest Ericsson Mobility Report, the average mobile data consumption in India had increased to around 14 GB per month in the year 2020. Short message service SMS. A short message service or SMS is a text messaging service that allows the exchange of text through phone, web or mobile use using standardized communications. Each short message can have up to 160 characters. The text can comprise words or numbers or an alphanumeric combination. An average Indian sends around 29 SMS per month. Text messaging through SMS is most popular with almost 2.5 billion active users or 74% of all mobile phone subscribers. SMS technology used in direct marketing is known as SMS marketing. Types of SMS. There are different types of SMS used based on the originating and terminating identities. Person to person, P2P, advertiser to person, A2P, person to network, P2N, internet to person, I2P. In person to person network, the SMS is like machine mediated communication, that is between two mobile subscribers through GSM to CDMA or CDMA to CDMA network. An advertiser to person service, the advertising agencies have an agreement with mobile operators. Advertisers and marketing companies who want to reach out to their potential customers provide the text of the message and mobile number to an operator, who then broadcast it in one-to-many mode. This is also termed as push method. In people to network service, the content provider usually gets 4 to 5 digital short SMS code from the mobile operator. Each code means a kind of a different service, like astrology can have a different code, ringtones, pictures, songs, games, etc. The operators charge for providing the code and the service. And in the internet to person service I2P, a person can send an SMS from the internet to mobile subscribers. This is done through services which offer text messaging through internet. Now let us look at the SMS uses and advantages. Banking. Banks offers various services and updates to customers through short messaging services. SMS has made old acquaintances and family members come closer and be in touch. Business and marketing. SMS allows for the sales and purchase of goods. Both buyers and sellers can exchange information. It's a good advertising tool. A single promotional message can be used to reach out to all consumers, thereby drastically cutting down on marketing cost. It saves time and is efficient. Practicing marketing and advertising through mobile phones saves time and is quite cheap. The disadvantages of SMS. Spam. Bombarding cell phone users with repeated advertising messages do more harm as they often annoy users. Limitations of messages. With messages being limited to 140 to 160 characters, it becomes quite difficult to create effective messages. People often use abbreviations and non-verbal messages like similes to save the cost of multiple messages and convey the information. Semantic problems. People tend to use abbreviations to save the time and the number of messages. These abbreviations can at times be ambiguous and the receiver may not understand message in totality. Generally, members of a group or college use predefined abbreviations or short forms for various words. Illiterate subscribers. Subscriber of mobile phones companies who are not educated will not be able to read and write SMS. Predictive text input algorithms significantly reduces the number of keystrokes that need to be made to input a message. Subscribers can use predictive text feature but with care as it might type in a different word. People who are not friendly with SMS services can certainly use the voice call services at an additional price. Multimedia message service. Multimedia messaging service or MMS is a standard way to send messages that include multimedia content to and from mobile phones. MMS is used to deliver news and entertainment content including videos, pictures, text pages and ringtones. Windows enabled smartphones, phones with Android make it easier for users to create, reply to and otherwise access messaging services through the provision of a QWERTY keyboard. Advantages and disadvantages of MMS. The advantages of SMS can be strengthened by the multimedia aspects of MMS. They facilitate ease of use and interactivity. The messages are direct and personal. MMS messages can be stored and forwarded by the server. Delivery and read reply reporting. Right segmentation for marketing companies. Increased user interactivity through multimedia. Use of image and video allows for better branding. Disadvantage: MMS is not compatible with basic phones. Compatible phones are generally costly. Marketing through mobile phones. Mobile Marketing Association has defined mobile marketing as the use of wireless media as an integrated content delivery and direct response vehicle within a cross media marketing communications program. Mobile marketing is done with the help of a mobile phone. It can be seen as the most direct, personal and immediate form of web marketing. Among other types, it includes mobile and email advertisements and marketing through mobile applications. Mobile marketing tracks the average number of daily and monthly active users, average duration of sessions, time spent on specific page or a section. Sales promotions are marketing communications activities used to encourage the trade or the end consumer to purchase or take other relevant action by affecting the perceived value of the product being promoted or to otherwise motivate action to be taken. The three basic approaches of integrating mobile marketing are: first, the direct mobile marketing; second, mobile enabled traditional media marketing; and third, mobile enabled products and services. In direct marketing, it refers to the direct communication with carefully targeted individual customers to obtain an immediate response and to cultivate lasting customer relationship. While direct mail, the telephone and press have traditionally been the most important media for direct marketing, the internet, email and mobile media have proved to be an effective direct response media. The mobile channel provides the company with two basic forms of direct mobile messages to engage the customer, and there is no middleman. Marketer initiated communication. This occurs when the marketer starts the communication with the consumer. For example, he sends a message, places a call or pushes an application alert. It is also referred to as push marketing, which includes, for instance, voice message, short message service, email, multimedia, picture messages, surveys and other pushed advertising content. Consumer initiated communication. In this approach, the consumer starts the conversation with the marketer by visiting his mobile website, making a call, downloading an application and so on. So, this is a pull based mobile marketing. It is defined as any content sent to the mobile subscriber. For instance, when a customer requests a mobile coupon or whenever the content of the response includes any demand on the part of the consumer. Mobile marketing is a direct marketing practice. Research indicates that marketers achieve response rates of 8 to 14% to communication initiated by them. These features make mobile a boon for marketing companies. The mobile phone is a personal device and is always close to the owner. It is always on, which means that the potential customer is always easy to reach. Mobile phones support apps which offer interactivity and payment gateways. The mobile phone captures context of interaction among users and their demographics. Mobile enabled traditional media marketing. Mobile enabled traditional and digital media marketing refers to the practice of enhancing the broadcast and feedback of traditional content shown in print media, outdoor media, digital media and electronic media with the help of a mobile phone. For example, a TV program can ask viewers to text a keyword to a short code to cast a vote in KBC. The marketing company can ask the viewers to fill in an online form to participate in the program. And the third one, mobile enabled products and services. Increasingly, companies and vendors are turning to mobile devices to deliver their products and services. Media companies like Netflix, ZEE5, NDTV, Bennett Coleman, CNN and ESPN are using mobile apps to deliver news and media content. Service providers are also integrating mobile services like text messaging and interactive voice response system to improve their business. Microsite. Mobile internet refers to browsing websites on a mobile phone. A website designed to be used on a mobile phone can be a microsite. A macrosite is a single page, single function website designed for a specific marketing promotion, topic or a campaign which can have rich media filled with text, colors and images. The resolution adjusts automatically for different screen sizes and the pixel rate along with the data rate is kept optimum. Let us look at the types of mobile marketing strategies. App based marketing. A mobile application or a mobile app is a program designed to run on an internet enabled mobile device. Mobile applications differ from the software installed on the desktop or a laptop as it is not really integrated. Mobile apps are designed for specific purposes and thus have limited functionality. For example, apps can tell us health parameters, weather forecast, food delivery and stock market trends. They need minimal hardware and do not support multifunctionality and parallel processing. This makes mobile applications quite effective channels for advertisers to reach their consumer base. App based marketing is done with the help of a mobile app. In-app advertisements from other vendors help these developers as they get money for providing space to advertisers. Quite often, application developers offer basic content for free to users to increase their popularity and premium content against payment to increase their revenue. The environment and design of the application should increase the participation among consumers of different backgrounds. In-game mobile marketing. In this marketing strategy, mobile ads appear within the mobile games. In-game ads appear as banner pop-ups, full-page image ads or even video ads that appear before the game loads or between changing screens. Location-based marketing. Mobile marketing and advertising companies reach potential customers when they are more likely to make a purchase. Location-based services convey SMS, voice messages or text messages to customers when they are close to their place of business in a certain proximity. Retailers, marketers and independent advertisers usually use these 5 technologies to reach out to their customers: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, infrared, near field communication NFC and ultra width band signs UWB. The service providers like Airtel, Jio and MTNL determine your location based on GPS data from the phone. These types of campaigns usually use text or image messages because the carrier has the ability to send SMS messages to the subscribers. There are also different ways in which cell phones and devices connect to the internet. Mobile devices can use GPRS or General Package Radio Service, Edge, improved GSM, evolution data rates or 3G and Wi-Fi if available. Benefits of mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is cheap as compared to other mainstream media and there is a 24/7 connect with the customers. Mobile internet connectivity and e-commerce channels gives the mobile advertising agencies an advantage. Mobile marketing also gives an opportunity to advertisers to tailor their products and services to cater to specific needs of their customers. Challenges of mobile marketing. Mobile phone screens being small makes it quite difficult to write and read messages. Cost of data plans and mobile calls is still high for larger segment of population. One needs to have basic technological skills to operate mobile phones, especially Android and iPhone as compared to Symbian phones. The small size of touch screens and keypads makes it quite difficult for users to search for goods and services, especially in websites. Advertising. Advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of products, services or ideas by an identified sponsor. The definitions of advertising suggest that advertising uses mass media. Common short codes or CSC are used by many marketing agencies to promote their products or services. CSCs are short phone numbers which are used to sign up for certain services or to subscribe to marketing messages for certain products from companies. CSCs are used to send and receive messages to customers. Mobile ads can be created with the help of services like Google AdMob and Facebook mobile ads, which appear in third-party mobile apps. These ads integrate nicely with the content and news in a way that users are unable to see the difference between content and promotion. Location-based advertisements appear on mobile devices of users based upon their specific location at a given time. The ads are related to the user's business or services he is trying to look on a particular day and time. In location-based marketing, advertisers plan their ads which are visible when people are close to their place of business. According to reports, 40% of users do surfing on their mobile phones. The research also indicates that 80% of time is spent in using apps, with games apps taking the largest share. People spend a lot of bandwidth on playing games through mobile phones. Retail conversion rates are maximum for desktop computers at 3.3%, followed by tablets at 2.2% and 0.7% for smartphones. This indicates that the small screen size is a real barrier when it comes to online shopping. Now, let us quickly look at some of the keywords which will be useful for you. Traditional marketing, marketing that is not new media driven such as print advertising, TV and radio commercials, direct email and so on. Cost per impression, a method of paying for web advertising that charges advertisers a preset amount for each time an ad appears on the site, regardless of whether the users clicked it or not. Pay per click, a method of paying for web advertising that charges advertisers a preset amount each time whenever a user clicks on an advertisement. Marketing campaigns, an organized effort to promote one or more distinct messages spread over one or more media outlets and centered on a conceptualized theme. Landing page, a page on a website that is set up for certain visitors to access but which is usually not accessible from the main site itself. Return on investment (ROI), the positive or negative return generated from any investment including marketing and web efforts. Protocol, protocols determine the rules of communication between two or more communication partners. General Packet Radio Service (GPRS), a packet data service being implemented in GSM and CDMA that will allow much higher data rate service. Global Positioning System (GPS), a satellite system that transmits extremely accurate time and synchronization signals and is also used for position locating. GSM, GSM is one of the popular architectures on which mobile devices are based on. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communications. GSM is a digital wireless network standard. SMSC, a short message service center, is the part of a wireless network that manages SMS operations, which includes storing, routing and forwarding inbound short messages to their desired endpoints. QR codes, QR codes are vertical and horizontal lines of a code which when scanned by users take them to a specific web page of the products or service website that the QR code is attached to. Wireless Application Protocol (WAP). WAP is a communication protocol. It can be built on any operating system including Palm OS, Epoch, Windows CE, Java OS, etc. Handheld digital wireless devices such as mobile phones, pagers and smartphones use WAP. GPRS, it is a service which enables users the access to internet on the mobile. These include basically database value-added services such as internet browsing, MMS, content download like wallpaper, ringtones, themes, games and mobile TV, etc. Let's quickly summarize what all we have learned in this chapter. A smartphone is a mobile device that integrates mobile phone capabilities with the common features of a personal computer to support access to internet, mobile applications, email, entertainment, and so on. A short message service (SMS) is a text messaging service that allows the exchange of short text messages through phone, web or mobile using standardized communications. Different types of SMS include P2P, advertiser to person A2P, person to network P2N, internet to person I2P. A multimedia messaging service or MMS is a standard way to send messages that include multimedia component to and from mobile phones. Mobile phones are being used for marketing and advertising purposes. Mobile internet refers to browsing websites on the mobile device. A multimedia messaging service or MMS is a standard way to send messages that include multimedia content to and from mobile phones. Mobile phones are used for marketing and advertising. Mobile internet refers to browsing websites on a mobile device. Microsites are designed for a specific marketing promotion or a campaign. In-app advertisements and location-based advertising are new ways of mobile advertising to reach customers. With this, we come to the end of the lecture. I hope you all have learned something about mobile technologies and how can they be used for marketing and advertising purposes. I welcome your suggestions and feedback. I wish you all the very best for your academic endeavors.